Hi, it's Ralph. Welcome back. Insurance Agency Briefing, the YouTube channel that seeks to briefly take you inside the life and times of an independent insurance agent. Today's topic, how a stranger reacts to meeting an insurance salesman. You know, insurance salespeople are not always held in the highest regard. And when I was in my 20s and 30s selling insurance, honestly, it was a little awkward at times when I would meet a stranger and the topic of career would come up. That was particularly true in the area of Columbus where I was living with my family, because most of the people that we knew were medical professionals, dental professionals, legal, accounting, architecture, banking, law, in other words, esteemed professions. Sometimes I had the sense when I met a stranger that they were concerned that, well, either I was going to try to sell them insurance or that I was going to be boring. But as I got through my 40s and 50s, I'm now in my mid-60s, I've seen a change in that. I still meet new people. After all, an insurance agency is a local business, and so whether I'm shopping or recreating or doing things with my wife and family or going to church or wherever, there are new people that come into my life. And now, career-wise, when the subject comes up, it's almost always the same, and they'll say, "So what do you do?" And I say, "Well, I'm an insurance agent." And then the $64,000 question always comes next. Do you work for someone, or do you have your own agency? Well, it's at that point my chest fills and I say, "Well, I have my own agency." "Oh, you do you? Well, how long have you had your own insurance agency?" I say, "Well, I've been in the business 37 years, 29 of those as an agency owner-operator." Your own deal, huh? So how many of you are in that business? And I said, "Well, there are 12 of us." Nice size agency you've got there. "Yes, and 3 of those people are my children." "Oh, so you're a family business. How nice that must be." You know, I always wished I had done something that I could pass along and share with my family. And I acknowledge that that's a wonderful part of the world in which I live right now with my business. And so I find that things have so changed as we talk about my business when I meet strangers. And you know, they always have a story to tell. "Hey, let me tell you about a claim I had. Let me tell you about this agent I dealt with for years. Let me tell you what this insurance company did to me. Let me tell you this. Let me tell you that." And you know what? I'm delighted to listen to it. It's my career. I love hearing the stories of what's happened with people in their insurance lifetime. And at some point, there's a decent probability that they're going to say to me, "Hey, do you think you could work on my insurance sometime?" I mean, after all, I don't really know people anymore. All the people at the agency where I deal with have either moved on or retired or something. And I say, "Sure, I'd be happy to take a look at your account, but it probably won't be me. There are excellent people in the agency. My 3 children are very good at what they do, and I will likely introduce you to one of them." I've never had anybody tell me that they didn't want to work with someone else in my agency, and so that works out real well. And so in conclusion, it's been fun for me to see how strangers have reacted to my career choice. And people fascinate me, and the manner in which they react to me when I meet them and the manner in which I react to them when I meet them has been a very interesting part of my career, and one that I've been happy to share with you today. Thank you.